Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee salmon fly, and I know this one is F and F, but it's the full name of the fly is called fleur fly. So I'm going to show you how to put it together. Now it's a great fly for PD water. The hook and the vise is a Partridge Patriot double in size 10. The thread that I'm going to use is the uni thread 801 red. So we're just going to come in a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook. We'll get our thread started. Just run some thread on, probably about halfway down the shank of the hook. Then the tag, apologies, is a oval silver tinsel. So just going to length the oval silver here, and this is the oval silver tinsel in size 14 that I'm using. So it's a equivalent to a small. Just get a length off. Just going to catch this in underneath the shank of the hook, and then just work my thread down. I'm just going to try and bring my thread down until I'm somewhere sort of way in line with the points of the hooks. Then I'm going to come around with 4 turns of the oval silver, bring it in between the 2 hooks, and then I'm just going to work my thread forward, hang this in. Now this is more for strength, just catching in the oval silver tinsel, the length of the body. Just trim that away, and then we'll work our thread back down, tied up against the tag. Now the tail is in 2 parts. It's a yellow and orange bucktail. Now what I have here is this is yellow and a nice orange sunburst. So it's making the tail just a wee bit lighter. Just get rid of that piece that was broke. Then the length of the tail is really up to yourself. I usually go anywhere between a length and a half and 2 lengths of the hook over the back. Just catch that in. Just lift the waist ends. I'll take them away in a bit of a tapered cut, get rid of the rubbish. Into the tail, I'm going to put 3 strands of orange microflash. So just catch that in, fold back the excess, and just trim away the waste. Now there's a wee tag at the back, and I'm going to use a Glo Bright floss number 3 for it. So just take a length of this off, offer this up to the hook. I'm just going to come around with a turn really, just to pull it in the length that I want, and then just work my thread forward. Then we'll come around with the floss. I'm going to take a couple of passes with the floss, just to want the tag to just be as bright as I can get it. Then we'll catch that in, and then we'll trim the floss in about the length of the body or so. Get rid of that, I'll do the next fly. Then I'm just going to work my thread forward, just tying everything in nice and tight. I'm not worried about the wee bits of floss, they're going to get covered up. Now I want the rib to be wire, so, but you could use the oval silver tinsel for the rib. Just the wire will help the fly last much longer. So we'll just work that back, tied up against our red butt. The body itself is a large holographic gold tinsel. So we'll take a length of this, offer this up to the hook. Just put it in the length. Then we'll just work our thread forward again, tying in the tinsel. Now just leave yourself a bit of room here at the front, because you have 2 parts to the wing, and then some throw tackles. So we'll just work up our gold holographic nice and tight. Just follow that around with your thread, a couple of tight turns, come in and clip away the waist of the holographic. Then we can bring up our silver wire for the rib. I don't know, we're in about 3-4 turns. It's usually good. A couple of turns will catch that in. Then you can bend and break away the wire. Now, I'm tan if you like a softer version of it, so you can use a mix of yellow and red bucktail for the wing. But I like to put the wing on in 2 parts. So the first part is, this is fox, Arctic fox. It's been dyed yellow. Now, just want a small pinch, sort of way coming halfway, or maybe just slightly over halfway into the tail. Just pinch and loop. A couple of turns. We'll trim away the waist. Get rid of that. Then on top of that, nice bright red. I want the red just slightly longer than the yellow underwing. Just come around with a pinch and loop. Another couple of tight turns. Right. The wing will sit high, just because of the body. And then come in and clip away the waist. Just a couple of wee fibres here. Take those away. Just going to hold the wing now. And just tighten up over the top. Now just to lower it, I'll just come in and crease the hair at the front, but once it's had a swim, it'll lower itself. The flash for the wing this is just micro flash in red. Just got 3 strands again. The red. So just offer it up, come around with a pinch and loop. Another tight turn. Just going to fold the waist ends back. Just come up over the top nice and tight. Trim those away. Just come in and get it all sitting nice together. Your favourite there. The throat. So first part of the throat, you're looking some nice either cocker orange hen fibre. So this is just some orange hen that I'm using. Just get rid of the rubbish. Just bring enough out. You're only looking a small pinch. Just going to offer this up, coming back to the tag really. Then I'm just going to pinch and loop. A couple of tight turns now. It's always worthwhile just having a wee look to see what way you were sitting. Come in and trim away the waist. Then on top of that, you're doing some yellow, or sorry, guinea fowl dyed yellow, I should say. If you're seeing a yellow guinea fowl running about, you must be on something. Give me some. So there you go. Only joking. So just take a wee pinch of this for the second part of the throat. Just got a wee spin to open up some of the fibres. I just want this just slightly longer, just slightly. It's not going to make a difference to the fish. Catch that in. Just have another wee look. Come in and trim away the waist. and then we'll just tidy up the head. Just nice and tight with the thread turns here. And don't be shy with the head, because the head's part of the fly. Right. Just noticed underneath some of the wee fibres still showing, so just turning the vise. Sometimes you're better to turn the vise up this way just to get at those, if you're able to rotate your vise, that is. Right, that's the original pattern. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'll show you one that I done earlier with jungle cock. Now, both have worked for me. This is a great wee fly. I came across this a few years ago. A lad gave it to me on the River Derg up round Killeater. I've been using it for years. So they just told me it had always done well with it. Now, I think this fly originally is an English fly. I'm not too sure what river it came from, because he told me at the time. Just can't remember. Now, we drop a super glue on the head there, and then once that's sort of way dry, I'll come in and just put on a couple of coats of varnish. Now, I did do one, like I say, earlier on with jungle cock, but the original pattern didn't have jungle cock in it. So that's the original fly there, and you can put jungle cock on it if you wish. I'm just mindful at times, you know, jungle cock's not the cheapest material to buy. So there you go, guys. That's the fleur fly. Hopefully you have got something from that. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. I know people's busy. Hopefully that's one that you can put on in your box for Atlantic salmon for the 2024 season. And remember, guys, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.